We just want people to leave and feel inspired and motivated that they can empower themselves to make change. Well, wellness has sort of been on people's minds. People want to, create a healthier lifestyle, but it's become more of a trendy word of getting into wellness. And I guess there's a lot more awareness around mental health as well now. We're looking at our emotional health and our physical health. This summit will really help them incorporate different tools and strategies and techniques, because sometimes people just don't know where to find the tools, the strategies, who to see, what to do, where to start. Well, Geelong, Surf Coast and the Bellarine, we've got amazing practitioners and speakers, and we've just got a wealth of information. Some people might have heard of a kinesiologist but don't know what it is, so they don't want to really literally just go and book in, so they might want to go and talk to the practitioner. They can have a chat one-on-one, they can connect with that person, and then seeing some of the speakers on there, so we have Lauren Burns, who was a gold medalist in Taekwondo in the 2000 Olympics. We've got Roxy Bennett as our MC, and she's going to be great in incorporating and bringing it all together. Then we have a range of everyone covering from all aspects of hormones and women's health. We've actually got the Deakin Food and Mood Centre coming on board. We're looking at gut health. We've also got a range of like feng shui. We've got recharging our mind. It's a whole range of things. We want people to go home and actually have things and strategies and techniques they can put in place.